you can see from the videos just posted, it's running, clutch works, not really much else to say. The carb was an awesome addition. It's flawless in regards to starting now. It has no issues. Big win for the force carb. Bloody love it. Of course, it is one of these cars that don't have an idle, so you have to tune that into the servo. Not a big issue. It probably makes it a little bit easier because you can tune on the fly. Other than that, though, as you can see, yeah, clutch was working, as you can see here. Just to give you a quick demonstration. So, in the videos that were just added to this post as well, you can probably tell that it's a bit jumpy. I need to engage, change the engagement on that clutch, because I think it's engaging a bit too quickly for my liking, because I want it to slip slightly. It's not slipping currently. It could just be the medium I'm using as well, because I'm using cork. But yeah, that'll probably change. Other than that though, come Sunday, I'm going to go down to the industrial estate where there's a lot more space. I need to get myself a filter for that as well before I bring it out. But yeah, going to give it a bit of a longer test. So in new videos as well, you can kind of see that I wasn't even putting any throttle into it. So this thing, which I'm really surprised about, it has a lot of torque. So it's able to power this, this 1/6 chassis perfectly. I think it's 1/6. Has to be fair. Again, it doesn't really fall any format, because I printed the body. Body is 1/5, so it's slightly bigger than what the original one was. But then I've scaled the chassis around it. But it can power this just fine. Of course, there is a bit of reduction, of course. So there's a clutch bell sprocket in there, and of course you got the one that mainly engages in here. So there is a reduction, and there's further reduction in here. However, it doesn't seem to impact speed. So as you can see, it was a bit nippy off the start. Might need to change the mixing on my controller to just add a tiny bit of throttle, so it doesn't cut out every single time it goes into once the clutch engages. There's some further tuning I need to do, because again, it is a big carb. It flows a lot more fuel than the original one, so it is incredibly, like, what, about 2 mil in compared to the other one. But yeah, hopefully come Sunday I'll have an update.